Hi, welcome to Mix 83. This is a warm up. You have to listen carefully to the drum sounds in this track. Ready? Circle your arm. Circle. Stretch, cross your leg. And slowly down. Hold it. Bend your knees and relax. Slowly up. Cross your leg. Stretch your hamstrings. Bend your knees. Just relax. Slowly up. Three balance. Marching place. Good. Do it again. Three balance. Very good. Add more step. Have a look. Three balance. Kickball chain. Twist and stop. Very good. One more time. Kickball chain. Twist. Yes, you got it. Three balance. Two just square. Diagonal. Do it again. Yes, just square. Give me diagonal arms. Hands on head. Yes, good. Up, down. Yes, hands on head. We complete the sequence. Three balance. Come on. Now front and back. Diagonal back. Yes. Diagonal and diagonal. Very good. Last side. Come on. Second part. Stop. Twist. Hold it. Marching place. You have to stop. Three counts. 1, 2, 3, stop. Yes. Now bounces. Down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up, stop. Remember, going down first. Yes. Now the arms. Straight arm. Very good. Use your wrist. Yes. Are you ready? From the top. Come on. Diagonal front and back. Bounces. Very good. You got it. One more time. Come on. Diagonal front and back. Stand up. Good. Second part. Stand up. Double tap. And open stop. Hold it. Yes. Double tap. And stop. Wait. Very good. One more change. Four change. Close and open. Double tap. Four change. Listen to the drums. Push. Go up. Switch. Go up. Are you ready? From the top. Three balance. Just square. Stand up. Double tap. Now the arms. Up and down. You got it. Very good. Stand up. Double. Up and down. Last time. Woo. Perfect. Bounce it. Double. Open.